Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Welcome to today's class. Students, do you see the present condition of our sea beach in Cox's Bazar? What are you seeing, students? At present, in our Cox's Bazar sea beach, our water are more than clear and crystal. Our fishes are playing randomly and our plants are growing naturally. That means our weather become controlled and our environment run in a balanced. Is it, students? Yes, students. Our today's topic is environment from chapter 9, chapter Environment of Bangladesh. And today we will discuss about elements of environment and environmental problems. Students, do you tell me the definition of environment? Here, the surroundings or conditions in which a person, animal or plant lives or operated, that is called environment. That means in one place where man, plants, animals, birds all are lives together, that is called environment. Now we will discuss about the elements of environment. Do you any knowledge about the elements of environment? Let's know. Elements of environment. Here, 4 basic elements of environment. Number 1, soil. Number 2, water. Number 3, air. And number 4, light. These 4 are the basic elements of environment. And these 4 elements makes man's life on earth has been possible. Without any one element cannot a man's life can possible in earth. Students, do you think what kind of problem are facing in our environment? At present, our environment is losing balance. But why our environment is losing balance? What are the causes? At first cause is increasing population. For increasing population, our environment has lost their balance. For increasing population, we are making many more brick fields and we use many types of vehicles, and these types of vehicles, brick fields are create black smokes, what is very dangerous for our environment. After that, for increasing population, we are destroyed cultivable land for housing, and we are destroyed our trees. That means we are cutting down trees much and more. After that, we cutting down hills. That means we destroyed hills for housing or for create mills, factories, etc. We are using chemical fertilizer for getting more production from crops, and for more production is needed for our more population. That means our all problems are created for increasing population. Students, that's all are the causes behind the losing balance of our environment. So what was our today's topic? Today we have learned about environment, elements of environment, and the problems of environment and causes behind it. Students, please read your book and complete your worksheet which is given in your website. Thank you so much.